Hello, I'm Peter Watts, Account Director for Intel Corporation at CDW. Over the years, we've seen how AI has gone from pilot programs to real-world impact in devices, in data centers, and in our daily work. But to truly scale AI across your business, you need more than a few tools or isolated devices. You need the right foundation and the right partner. AI starts with Intel Inside. CDW makes it real. For smarter work at the edge, Intel Core Ultra processors bring built-in AI acceleration to your devices. They enable systems that learn, adapt, and perform better wherever work happens. You can give your IT teams enterprise-grade tools with Intel vPro to manage devices remotely, protect data, and keep hybrid teams running smoothly. For demanding workloads in the data center, Intel Xeon processors deliver the performance and efficiency needed to support modern applications, AI operations, and secure, scalable infrastructure. Together, they give you the flexibility to run AI where it best supports your people, your operations, and your future goals. CDW brings all of this to life with hands-on support and deep expertise. We help you assess where you are in your IT modernization journey. Then we deploy the right combination of Intel-powered devices and infrastructure to enhance efficiency. That means getting AI-ready Windows 11 Pro devices, refreshing aging servers with Intel Xeon, and integrating accelerators for high-performance AI workloads. We also offer training, co-pilot readiness workshops, and lifecycle services to keep your teams productive and secure long-term. When everything works together, AI goes from enhancing how people work into transforming how your business runs. You get faster insights, smarter experiences, and the confidence to keep moving forward. Intel delivers the innovation across the edge, data center, and cloud. CDW brings that innovation to life with the expertise to deploy it securely, strategically, and at scale. Together, Intel and CDW make AI-powered productivity a reality by combining the support and technology your teams need to work smarter, innovate faster, and achieve more. Wherever you are in your AI journey, we're here to help you take the next step. Want to learn how Intel and CDW can help you do more with AI? Reach out to your CDW account manager anytime. Visit cdw.com/Intel. Thanks for watching.